Welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn about how to run the Excel macros from Automation Anywhere. So let's start. Here I have a sample Excel macro workbook. Let me open the Excel macro first. So here is my macro code. First I will explain what this macro will do. First it will create the Internet Explorer object. It will open the Internet Explorer and it will navigate into www.youtube.com page. After that it will update My Learning Tricks, our channel name, into the search box, and it will click on the search button. So once everything is done, it will display the first video title in the message box, as well as it will update the video title into the range A1 cell. It will get updated. So this is what the macro will do. Let me do this manually so that you can betterly understand. www.youtube.com page, and it will update our channel name My Learning Tricks into this search box, and it will click on this search button. After that it will validate the first video title and it will display the message box with the video title, and the video title will get updated into the range A1. After that it will click on this first video title, so it will navigate into watch page. Video watch page will open once it's clicked on. So this is what the macro will do. Let me open this and run this macro. So you can see the results. Now I have run the macro. The Internet Explorer window has been opened and it's waiting for, it's updated. I think it's clicked on the search button. It's navigated into the different page. Here you can see the first video title is user or local variables. It will get displayed and it's updated. In the watch window page has been opened, and the range A1 you can see now the video title has been updated in the range A1, as well as in the same message box displayed the first video title. So everything is done, which means our macro is working perfectly without any issues. So we will delete and save this file. Let me go to the workbench. In this workbench we are going to use Excel command. Just expand this and you can see open spreadsheet. So first we need to open the spreadsheet, then only you can manipulate anything. And session names. Currently we are going to use single spreadsheet. So if you want to change the session name, you can change, or else just use the default. So in my case I'll change this name, VBA macro, and the spreadsheet path. Just click on browse and select your macro file. I have selected, and if you have any specific sheet name, just mention the specific sheet, or else you need to activate the sheet. And contains header. If your data has any headers, you need to check this checkbox, or else leave it. In the advanced view you can see spreadsheet password and the open read only mode. So if your spreadsheet has any password, or else if you want to open your spreadsheet as a read only, you can check this checkbox, or else leave it. In my case I don't have anything, so I'll leave as it is. And use the run Excel macro command. Just drag and drop this run Excel macro, and the session name, please validate whether the session name has been updated correctly. So here the session name is correct. Okay. In the macro name, which is nothing but just you need to mention your macro names. Here I have two macros. The first one is sub name search, and the next one is sub all IE quite. So currently I want to run the first macro, name search. So just you need to mention this macro name. After the sub you can see the macro name. This is what you need to mention. And the macro arguments, if you have any other arguments such as public or functions, any other arguments, you need to mention the arguments also. This is optional, so leave as it is. Once everything is done, if you want to close the spreadsheet, you can use the close spreadsheet function. In my case I don't want to close the spreadsheet, since I want to show the details. So I will click on save and execute this task, so you can see the results. I have executed, runtime window has been opened. So it's activated the Excel workbook and it's opened the Internet Explorer, which means our macro is running successfully without any issues. It's opened and it's waiting for, it's updated the value My Learning Tricks, as well as it's navigated into the correct page, as well as it's waiting to update the video name and the message box. It seems it's updated in the range A1. Let me close, and here you can see the message box displayed, as well as the value has been updated in the range A1, which means our macro has been successfully executed without any issues. It's executed the macros. So by this method we can do lot of things, the Excel macro itself, if you cannot automate anything using the automation anywhere command, you can use the Excel macros. Unless or until you cannot do anything with the commands, then you can jump with Excel macros. But this is not a recommended method, since this is different applications. We are navigating into different applications. So just try with the automation anywhere. If the command is not available, then directly you can proceed with the Excel macros or any other VB script and the other scripts also you can use. So if you would like to learn the VBA or the any other languages, please watch all of our videos, since we have uploaded multiple videos about the automation anywhere and the other programming languages such as SQL, HTML, Excel VBA and the Excel other basics. So when you have time, please watch all the videos, like and subscribe our channel. Really thanks for your time. If you have any other queries or suggestions, please reach out to me. Really thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.